You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word from Arabic. That means literally donkey, but it's also used a bit as a slang to say idiot or fool or stubborn. More generally that you or somebody can be a bit stupid, just like a donkey, or like donkeys are supposed to be. Anyhow, Arabic pronunciation is as hmar, hmar. You have this very guttural sound, ha sound from Arabic, hmar. Now, if you cannot pronounce Arabic, well, it's kind of a little bit difficult to pronounce this one. You can say hmar, hmar with an H sound. Yeah, I guess that's the closest pronunciation you can do with English sounds that exist in English. Hmar, hmar, from Arabic, hmar. Can you pronounce it? Let me know in the comments, let us know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.